Yeah, it is a blessing that now it's raining in Kenya. But let's go to our normal business. We want to create a two profile, and then we program it using Mastercam. First of all, let's change our units. So for you to change the units from inch to millimeter or any units you want, come to File, then Configuration, change here. These units are here. So you can take millimeters, and then you change here your setup to millimeters as default. Okay, it will change here. Come to views, check this. Okay, these are views. Wireframe. Check a rectangle. Can draw from this side like this. So the height can be, let's say, 40 by minus 150. Yes, okay. You can fit to normal. We'll see how it looks like. Do an offset from here. Maybe we have like 5. It can be 10. This one can be 40. And this one can be 80. This one can be something like 16. This one can be like offset this. Added 2 lines. Yeah. So this can be like 56 stroke 2. This can be like 3, yes, 3. Okay, and take a line, join this line and this one. Okay, set again this, and this to this, and this one 20, 60. Okay, and take 3 point arc from this point to this point, and then goes 3 point arc. This point here, 30 point arc. From this point to this point, we need to go to this side. Okay, you can trim this. This one you don't want it as final. This it goes straight. It comes inside here. It goes up. So we have such a simple part. So you can remove this. Okay, cut a fillet. Let's say it is a 15. This one is too much. It looks like 5. This, then this, then here, then add another one like 1 on this side. This side, don't remove sharp edges. Okay, so we can use this. Let's say save our part. Let's say workspace 2 or 3, 5, 5, 3. Simple turning. Then yeah, we can use this profile to do turning, or we can create yeah, let's use this profile. Oh, if you want to use a profile for turning, it's okay, but let's convert to solid. Maybe you can evolve. Show you how to convert to a solid. Okay, then you click on this. Okay, you can say isometric. This is the part. Yes, now this is the part. So the way it is now, we can use this part to program. And now you can come to wireframe, then you create a profile. So we say turn profile. You click on the part, enter. Then you say when this is our profile or logboard profile, so we can use full profile. Okay, so this is the profile that we'll be using. So we have done our modeling from the wireframe to 3D model. Then from there, we can go to turning. So first of all, come to toolpaths. So this is what our toolpath is. You can click on machine. which machine do you want to use. So you can use lathe, so you can say default machine, tool parties here, then you can expand on properties, then tool setting. We are using the cutting parameter of the tool, of the cutting parameter from the tool. You can assign program 1, then we can say that the tool will be saving sequentially. If it was T1 D1 or T1 D2 or T1 D3, if you're using Siemens. If you're using other machines, Fanuc has, you can use T101, T102, T103, T104, T20 like that. But now for Siemens, it will be T1D. Good. The material is here. We can select the material, but I want to use the default material first of all. Then next session I'll show you how to add the material. Then from here we come to setup. So we're using the left spindle properties. These properties, what is the OD? So we can click on this outer line, select OD. From this outer line, can give us the OD. The total length was 150. Yes. Yes, that is 150. Then if you don't want to use that one, you can say use margin. What is the OD? The OD should be here. It was about 80. OD should be 80. You can say use margin. Then you say maybe you have a diameter which is 9, that is 10, 20 is 100. Then you have 2 mm for facing. The left is, say 25 gap. Say preview. Then you can say let's say top plane. This is how it is. So this outer boundary is what is the stock. This is the part you will machine. Then this gap from here to here is the 2 mm for facing. So you can go. You can say enter. Then we come back. Press enter. So we have selected, but our stock is cylinder. So you're using a cylinder block. Yes. And then it's okay. Click OK. We need to also click on where the jaws are. We click on the jaws. Then from the jaws, next is you can say from the stock, you click on the parameters. This one is the jaws. If you have different jaws, you can put the parameters here, it will update. But I want to leave it as a default. So you come to parameters. Then from these parameters, you can say from the stock, where you put in your jaws from this far end. You see it is red. So maybe it is 20, let's say 20, a gap of 20. Then I can preview. Then you preview. You see now it is. This is the jaws. Let me put it to top plane. Then I fit it. So you can view it well. You see, this is the part. This is the jaws. This is the stock. This is where it has clamped. Or else, one way, I can also say use grip on the maximum diameter so that it doesn't give an allowance. Then I can say preview. You see it has now gripped. It has gripped on the largest diameter. This is the largest diameter of the stock. Click enter. So everything is okay. If you want to change the reference point of this jaws, you click on reference point, and you can say you're holding from here, from this side to this side. So it's upon you to set it. Okay. Then we're using the left stock. Yeah. So we're not using right stock. I think these others are okay. And you can fit it to the boundaries. Yes. Then okay, say okay. So we have done our setup. The same setup you do on CAM is it may depend either on SolidCAM, Mastercam, Fusion 360, InventorCAM, EdgeCAM, ArtCAM. With whatever you set on the CAM, you need also to set on the machine, meaning our origin in the machine will be here. This will be our left jaws. If you're using the right jaws, will be this side, but if you're using left jaw, that's left spindle. So we have done our setup. Now I want to do what we call facing. We go to facing, we go to roughing, then we go to finishing. But basically, this topic is about creating a simple model, then programming it. But if you want to know about tools, then the next session will discuss on how we can create the codes for tools, then we use it for programming. So everything is okay here. You come to facing. Our operation is here. You click on facing. It will open up. Then we are using this deep tool. Number one, you can change the, let's say, the maximum speed. Our machine is 2000. It's limited. Then that is the maximum speed you can go. Then you can say you're using the 1200. Then this one can be like 400. I'm just doing a rough value so that you know when you're cutting it, you don't change. Then also I can use a reference. Where is my reference? I can say reference point. Maybe let's say it's approaching from the stock is 90. So I say from 120, and Z can also be 120, and then I can copy paste all of this. Then I say okay. So that's where my tool will be coming from. Then I can say here, click a comment, say I'm doing what you call facing. So this tool by default I pick the way it is, or I can double click on this tool and then I create a new tool. Like I'm using D. Then I say here, let's say D. Sorry, here it is DNMG 110408. Is the tool I'm going to use. DNMG. NMG is here, climbing. Then TC should be 110408. Good. I can save it. I think this is saved. Let me save it so that I can use it next time. But then check for the holders. I can say the holder should be, that is DNMG. If you're using multiple, can be MDJNR 2020. This is capital S, MDJNR, then 2020. I've used the 11, so I can say K11. Yes, so this is the holder. Let me copy it, then I'll save it. My holder is 20 by 20. So other parameters I can leave it constant. This is a 120. That is K is 125, but I'm using 150, so I can put it here M. But let it the way it is. I can say 125. It's okay. And then I can say save the tool to the library. Then I can say this is the turning tool V. Say save. So it has saved the tool. Then whatever is here, it will be taken the way it is. Then okay. From the tool, it has updated the tool. Then I can say, because I've put the part now, come to face operations. Let's say my composition is off, left, maximum, whatever it's doing, material, this, or this, so we leave it. This is the entry where the tool is coming from. Then finishing step over at the end of it. Then once it goes out, then the retraction from each cutting, and then whatever is okay here, I say now okay. You can generate the program. Let's see, do symbol simulation. You can say the short, yeah, it has shown. Let's say use a isometric. Let's choose the top plane because isometric is not. I'm not put the 3D the top plane. Then you can minimize. Then you can click here play. Speed is okay. Play. So you can see it will be coming from some far away. That is X100. Then it goes Z100 and put it far away. That's the facing. We just put small till so that we need to only once it goes away. Good. Okay. If you find this one, you want to cut many of them, I can also change here these parameters. Then number of passes, all of them, you can change these parameters here. Let's say it is 0.5, 0.2, I think 0.2 is okay, but it's too small. Okay. Then I want to add what you call the rough turning. Rough turning. I'm using the same tool. So my rough turning is I will pick the profile here. Then it has already taken me where I want. I can use these shortcuts to forward it. Then it goes next, or I can create this, say forward this, forward this, forward this. It goes. Yes, yeah, good. Then I'm using the same. Let me use the same tool for roughing. Then I will change another tool for finishing. Coolant. If you want to put on coolant, the same way you can change here coolant. Reference point, maybe let me pick a reference point, select it, let me put it close so it doesn't go far away. Then I can also put it either way, let's say 60 by 40 so that you can update. Okay, and I'm using absolute. So the same tool, roughing. Good. So here I can write roughing. But remember this external turn, so it can be OD, outside diameter. Reference point, good, okay. Rough parameters, I can say it's no compensation here. I can put it all in computer, or then depth of cut, let me put 5.5 to stop to leave. Let it be leave a small material along x-axis and z-axis. Percentage for this, let it be what it is. If I can change the angle here, but the angle is okay. This is how it's approaching. It is approaching, it's okay. Entry is far away by 2 millimeters, so it's safe. Then also it goes away. If I want to extend this, I can also extend by 1 millimeter so that it leaves. But sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not good, depending on the condition of the operator, yeah, and the material, and even the jaws. If you don't have the security with the jaws, you don't need to put too much here because it will crash your jaws. And unless you're so keen in observing the sequencing of the operation and even the safety. Then for turning, basically we do it one way, don't do it two-way. And then here they say use the stock for the boundary. I can adjust by level to it, okay. So this program, yeah, it's okay. You can come here, then we say, can we do a simulation? We see how it looks like here. Do a simulation. Approach here is 2 millimeter. Then away is also I've given 1 millimeter for to extend the material. Yeah. So this is what we call turning, outside diameter turning using Mastercam. Then the material leaving here, it won't do finishing. So I'll put another tool for finishing. Good. Let's go to another finishing operation. Then I will basically let me pick the last, because already had the last profile. I can say pick the last profile, but again don't pick it, is it? Yeah, good. So you can click here, okay. Then we go. Let's change a small tool. Let me use this tool, and then I'll change the parameter here. So I can say this is, yeah, it is VNMG 160408. Then the holder should be, let's use 20. So the holder should be MVJ in R 20 K16. Then let me copy this holder. Then I save the holder. And then this one I can say 125 is okay. 25 okay. This one 30 is okay. I'll put VNMG for finishing 160408. Then I can save the tool. We say save the tool so that next time I can use this tool. Okay, can save the tool. Pick a tool. Then I can change here the speed. Let me use 2000. Then can do like 1000. Remember, I've just changed it, but it's not good to change this parameter unless you know the cutting parameters for each tool, so that you don't break the tool and don't affect the surface finish. That's okay. Reference, where is it coming from? Let me select a point, maybe. Also, let me assume it's coming from this point. I can copy both sides, 60 by 40. Then copy the other side. Okay. Let's go. What next? Finishing parameters. So step down, maybe let's say 0.5. It's okay. Stop the 0, 0, 3, 2 times. I can leave it the way it is, or let me change the branching. Because somewhere, let's use this one. Okay. Why? Because here it is curved. So I need to take to plunge inside to cut. You can say okay. Yes. Then I can do a simple simulation. Play here to come to do finishing. Yeah, now the tool for finishing. Good. Yeah, I'll put 2 times, so it will go 2 times. Yes. Wonderful. So this is very simple part programming for Mastercam. Then, lastly but not least, let's go to how can we generate a part program now, or maybe let me select this and then we do a simulation. The whole of it. You can say this one is selected. You can use this. Let's use the confirm on the NC. Although if it crashes, I've not set the part for it, but let's see how it will verify using the NCI. So to open a new NCI, a new configuration, then it will even give me the stock. Then you put it to fit to normal. Can put it even isometric. Let me put it isometric. I can put it top. Let me put it front. No, the top is good. Top is good. Isometric. Now my mouse don't want to rotate. How comes my mouse don't want to rotate? So let's show it to part stock, initial stock, workpiece. What can you trace again? Let's see this. Then we can create here. Run. Yeah, it has enhanced it here. It's okay. Now we can leave this one. You can check. Now. 12 of them. You can click here. Look. So this it is facing, turning. That's half turning. Then it come to finishing. We have to second tool. Yes. Then finishing. Good. Then let's generate a program. Then we end our session today. So let me pick all of them. All of them are selected. You select this, then hold on Shift, then pick the last operation, then right click. You can say post somewhere. You need to click post, or if it doesn't want to come, mostly you use click this G1. Then you can say ask the extension, then say NC file. You can send the machine, you can edit, you want to collaborate, then say okay. It will ask you where to save. Let's say on this desktop. Then because my machine is Siemens, I'm using .mpf for Siemens. Then I'll say yes, the desktop. It will generate the program. Yes. So it's supposed to be the program. It's opening the code expert to post the program. Then they'll show you the part program and how to edit. So it has opened the code editor. So this is the program most cases of on the machine like has Fanuc GSK, it gives you this, but for Siemens I'll ignore, and then I say I'm using say G291. Yes, my safety G54, G00, G90. Then I can put a semicolon at the back. When you're editing the program, my tool can say it is T1, D1, because I'm using Siemens. It is changing this. Yes. That is, it is using two tools. Tool for facing, tool for rough turning, then a new tool for finishing. DNMG 11 is for rough turning, so I can put here semicolon. So this is the second tool for finishing. T2 D1 offset 1 offset 1. So to change the tool, and I can now remove this G00. Let me not go home because I'm continuing my jobs. So this is a simple pad program, and you can now go to home, file, save as. If you want different versions, it is here. You can save different versions. Say yes. So this program you can put in a flash, you transfer to your machine, then you do machining. But if you have all the configurations, any configurations you can update on your machine, you send the program to your machine, you pick the kind of a machine you are using, maybe cement lathe, then you post it on your machine. Thank you for watching and have a good night. Here in Kenya, it is almost, let me check, I think it's almost what? Yeah, it's almost it's almost 3 p.m. 3 p.m. No, 3 a.m. Yeah, 3 a.m. Good. Thank you.